Samsung fans, buckle up. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a game-changer with incredible upgrades, stunning design, and features we've been waiting for. Stay tuned to get the full scoop on why this foldable might just blow your mind. Let's dive in. Hey Techverse family. Welcome back to another exciting update in the world of cutting-edge tech. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for the latest leaks, insights, and updates on the coolest gadgets around. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. Ready? Let's get started. First up, Samsung has already started its reserve campaign for the Galaxy S25 series, and it's packed with perks. Reserve now, and you'll get $50 credit, triple Samsung reward points, and even a chance to win a $5,000 sweepstake. Now on to the Galaxy Z Fold 7. According to reports, Samsung is going bold by removing the digitizer, making the device slimmer than ever. The new design accommodates a larger S Pen, which now uses active electrostatic technology for improved precision. For all the S Pen lovers out there, this might finally address complaints about the size of the earlier versions. Samsung's making big strides with the Fold 7's displays. Expect a 6.5-inch cover display paired with an 8-inch internal folding display, both brighter and more color accurate than ever. And here's the kicker, Samsung's new ultra-thin glass is said to eliminate creasing in the center. While we've heard similar promises before, this could finally be the year they get it right. Under the hood, the Fold 7 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, a beast of a processor clocked at 4.47 GHz. Combine that with 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, and you've got a phone that can handle anything you throw at it. Samsung is also doubling down on AI features, so expect smarter photography, seamless multitasking, and more. Camera enthusiasts, listen up. The Fold 7 comes with a 50MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom. Plus, rumors suggest dual under-display cameras for a truly uninterrupted viewing experience. It's perfect for selfies or using the cover display as your viewfinder. Now for the big questions, when and how much? The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to launch in July 2025, with a starting price of $1,900. While it's not cheap, Samsung is working hard to keep costs steady while enhancing features. For foldable fans, it's shaping up to be worth every penny. That's everything we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Are you as excited as I am? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Will this be your next upgrade, or are you sticking with your current device? And remember, as more leaks and updates roll in, I'll keep you posted right here on Techverse. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.